Hello everyone, Miss Rita here. Student, in today video we are going to see SSC Board chapter Probability, question number 5, creative questions of 3 marks which are asked in question bank of algebra. Now let's start. If you see student, the first question is given. A bag contains 5 white balls and some blue balls. The probability of drawing a blue ball is double than of white ball. Determine the number of blue balls in the bag. Student, let number of blue ball be x. So number of B will be x. And number of white ball is given how much, student? 5. So number of A will be 5. Now student, the number of sample is 5 plus x, because blue ball is given 5, white ball is given 5 and blue ball is given x. This will be our total number of balls. Now student, it is given probability of drawing a white ball is probability of A equal to number of A upon number of S. What is the number of A is given, student? 5. And number of S is given 5 plus x. And student, probability of drawing a blue ball is number of B upon number of S. Number of B is how much we have taken? X. And number of S is 5 plus x. As per given condition, what the condition is given? If the probability of drawing a blue ball is double than a white ball. So blue ball is our probability of blue ball is B equal to 2 times of probability of A. B is how much we got, student? X upon 5 plus x equal to 2 into probability of A is given how much, student? 5 upon 5 plus x. Now 2 multiplied by 5 we get 10 upon 5 plus x. So your denominator is same. By eliminating both the sides, 1 upon 5 plus x. So what will get? X equal to 10. It means there are 10 blue balls in the bag. Okay. Now children, we will move to the question number 2. The question number 2 is given. The faces of a die bear number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If the die is rolled twice, then find the probability that the product of digit on the upper face is 0. Product means the multiplication of the digit will be 0. So first of all, we will make the sample of given number. So total 6 digits are there, and 6 multiplied by 6, how much we get? 36. It means the number of sample is 36. Now student, A is the event of getting the product of digit on the upper face is 0. Means the number which is multiplied by 0 is always answer is 0. The 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0 and 5, 0. If we multiply 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 4, 0 means the number which is multiplied by 0, the answer will come 0. Number of A will be 11. But here we have to find the probability. So probability of A equal to number of A upon number of S. So what, student? What we got the number of A? 11. And sample was how much? 36. 11 and 36 we cannot cut. So answer will be whatever? 11 upon 36. Now student, let's move to the question number 3. If you see in the question bank, the question number 3 is given. A missing helicopter is reported to have crashed somewhere in the rectangular region shown in the figure. What is the probability that if it crashed inside the lake shown in the figure? So here the figure is given in your question bank. The big one rectangular region length is 9 and breadth is 4.5. And the length of lake will be what? 9 minus 6 will come how much? 3. And breadth will be 4.5 minus 2 will be 2.5. So here solution, let the rectangular length of the rectangular region is 4.5. The breadth of rectangular region is 9 meter. This is the rectangular region which is a big rectangle. And now length of lake is 4.5 minus 2. Here we get 2.5. Breadth of the lake is 9 minus 6. We get 3. But here we have to find the probability of what? Helicopter which is fall in lake. So area of lake upon area of rectangular region. What is the formula for the area of rectangular region? Length into breadth. It means the area of lake we will multiply length into breadth is 2.5 multiplied by 3. Area of rectangular region length is 4.5 into 9. 2.5 and 4.5 has a decimal. We will remove the decimal. We get 25 into 3 and 45 into 9. We can cut the numerator and denominator, student. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. Now here what will come? 5 5 ja 25, 5 9 ja 45. 1 ja 5 is the numerator and denominator is what? 9 3 ja 27. So here answer is 5 upon 27. Therefore the probability of that helicopter will fall in the lake is 5 upon 27. The fourth one is given, student. 3 horses A, B and C are in a race. A is twice as likely to win as B. B is twice as likely to win as C. What is that individual probability of winning? So what will assume? X. Number of B is what? 2 times of C. And C is our X. Number of A is 2 times of B. So 2 multiplied by B is how much? 2x, means number of A will become 4x. Now here we have to find the probability of A, B, C. First of all we will write the sample equal to, how many sample we have? X plus 2x plus 4x, total is 7x. Number of sample is 7x. So here we will find the probability of A equal to number of A upon number of S. What is the number of A? 4x. Number of S is 7x. X cut, what is it mean? 4 upon 7. Probability of B equal to number of B upon number of S. So student, number of B, what is our? 2x, and number of S is our 7x. So here we get 2 upon 7. And the probability of C equal to number of C upon number of S. And number of C is what we have taken? X. And what the sample? We have 7x. X cut, so answer will be 1 upon 7. It means the probability of A is 4 upon 7. Probability of B is 2 upon 7. And probability of C is 1 upon 7. Okay, is that clear? Now, the last question is given. A bag contains 8 red balls and some blue balls. A number of blue balls is not given. If one ball is drawn randomly, what is the probability of drawing a red ball to a blue ball are in the ratio of 2:5. Determine the probability of drawing a blue ball from the bag. Now student, number of red ball is given 8, but number of blue ball is not given. So what we will assume? X. So student, the total number of ball are 8 plus X. Let A is the event of drawing the blue ball, but the ratio is given what? 2:5. It means 2 is the ratio of red ball and 5 is the ratio of blue ball. So probability of A will be, we'll take number of A upon total number of S we are taking, but here we want to find the probability. Number of A is, ratio is 5, and denominator will be what? The ratio we will add. 2 plus 5 is how much? 7. So probability of A is 5 upon 7. Here we got. But we will find the value of X also here. So probability of A equal to number of blue ball upon total number of balls. What the probability we get, student? 5 upon 7 equal to number of blue ball is x, and the total number of ball is given. What we have got? 8 plus x. Now cross multiplication. 7 multiplied by x equal to 5. Then bracket is given 8 plus x. We'll solve the bracket first. 7 into x, 7x. 5 is 40 and 5 into x is 5x. Now, we'll take the 7x minus 5x. The 5x will go to the left side, become minus 5x equal to 40. 7 minus 5 we get how much, student? 2x equal to 40. Therefore, x equal to 40 divided by 2. It means here we get the x equal to 20. Therefore, number of blue ball is 20. I hope you have understood. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.